Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Attaching NCL luggage tags is a vital step for your upcoming cruise vacation. These tags ensure your suitcases arrive at your stateroom quickly and safely. First, you need to access your electronic cruise documents on the Norwegian Cruise Line website. Find the section for luggage tags and print them out. Use a color printer if you can because the colors help the crew sort bags by deck. After printing, fold the paper along the solid lines as instructed. You will usually fold the paper into thirds to create a sturdy strip. Many travelers choose to reinforce their paper tags with clear packing tape. You can also buy plastic luggage tag holders online that fit NCL tags perfectly. These clear sleeves protect the paper from rain or rough handling. Once your tag is folded or sleeved, wrap it around the top handle of your suitcase. Do not use the side handle because it might get caught in machinery. If you are using the paper method, staple the ends together several times. Make sure the staples go through all layers of the paper for a strong hold. If you use the plastic holders, simply zip them shut and attach the metal loop to the handle. Only attach these tags right before you head to the cruise terminal. If you are flying to your port city, wait until you claim your bags at the airport. You do not want the airline machinery to rip your cruise tags off during transit. Double-check that your name and cabin number are clearly visible on every single bag. This simple process keeps your luggage safe.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.